Hi creative friends, welcome back to heisapro. In this tutorial, we will utilize the layout title in the menu bar to understand pages in CorelDRAW. Without further delay, let's get started. The first thing you would notice when you create a new document is a page, and it is a single document within a project. Pages are important when designing magazines, jotters, or custom notebooks. You can have different designs on different pages. And if you go up to the property bar, you can always adjust the page size, its dimensions, orientation, and drawing units. We are currently on the first page, and that is page 1, as you can see down here. To create a new page, simply go to Layout, then select Insert Page. Here, you can adjust the number of pages you would like to work with, and you can choose to place the page before or after the selected page, which is the page you are currently on. And we have just one existing page, that is page 1. And you can also give the new page unique properties. Now a second page has been created, and as you can see down here, we are on page 2. Now let's go back to Layout, then select Insert Page. And let's increase the number of pages. 20 more pages have been added to the previous pages, making the total pages 22, as you can see down here. And we are currently on page 3. To switch between pages, you can simply click on the page you would like to work on. You can also click on the forward arrow to move to the next page, and the fast forward arrow to move to the last page. Likewise, click on the backward arrow to move to the previous page, and the fast backward arrow to move to the first page. Let's just work with page 1 and page 2 for now, and let's go ahead to draw unique objects on each of the pages. Now let's go back to Layout, then select Duplicate Page. Here you can insert the new page before or after the selected page, and you can copy the page properties only or the page properties and its content. So we duplicated page 1 and its properties to the next page. Moving on, let's go back to Layout, then select Rename Page. Here you can give the selected page a unique name. For example, we can name the first page Book Cover. And you can decide to name the second page Introduction. Renaming pages helps in organization of the project. If you like to go to a certain page, go to Layout, then select Go to Page. So let's input 3 and select OK. And as you can see, we are on the third page, which is page 3. And lastly, if you no longer need a page, simply go to Layout, then select Delete Page. And you can input the page that you would like to delete. And as you can see, we no longer have page 3. Or you can delete multiple pages by selecting Through to Page. So you can decide to delete page 2 inclusive. Now the page 3 now becomes the only page, and it is labeled as page 1. You can insert a page number to the selected page or all the pages. Simply go to Layout, then select Insert Page Number. And you can insert a page number on the active layer. As you can see, we have one. Or you can insert a page number on all the pages. You can also insert a page number on all odd pages and all odd even pages. Now, instead of continuously going to layout, you can always insert a new page by clicking on the plus icon. And this creates a new page after the selected page. You can also right click on the page to rename the page, insert a new page after, insert page before, duplicate the page, delete the page, and switch the page's orientation. So guys, that will be all for this tutorial. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.